Welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we will practice 100 daily routine sentences using the shadowing technique. First, you will listen to each sentence slowly and clearly. Then, you will have time to repeat it aloud with me. This method will help you improve pronunciation, speak with confidence, and build strong speaking habits step by step. Don't skip the video. Every minute is valuable practice that brings you closer to fluency. Remember, daily repetition is the key to success. Let's begin. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Say it with me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I open my eyes slowly. Repeat slowly. I open my eyes slowly. I stretch my arms. Your turn. I stretch my arms. I sit up in bed. Say it again. I sit up in bed. I get out of bed. One more time. I get out of bed. I put on my slippers. Say it with me. I put on my slippers. I go to the bathroom. Repeat after me. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. Your turn. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. Say it slowly. I wash my face with cold water. I take a shower. Let's say it together. I take a shower. I dry myself with a towel. Repeat slowly. I dry myself with a towel. I comb my hair. Say it again. I comb my hair. I put on clean clothes. Your turn. I put on clean clothes. I look in the mirror. Say it with me. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. Repeat after me. I smile at myself. I make my bed. Say it slowly. I make my bed. I open the window. Your turn. I open the window. I take a deep breath. Say it again. I take a deep breath. I feel ready for the day. One more time. I feel ready for the day. I go to the kitchen. Say it with me. I go to the kitchen. I open the fridge. Your turn. I open the fridge. I take out some eggs. Say it again. I take out some eggs. I fry an egg. Repeat after me. I fry an egg. I toast some bread. Say it with me. I toast some bread. I make a cup of tea. One more time. I make a cup of tea. I pour some milk. Say it slowly. I pour some milk. I drink coffee. Your turn. I drink coffee. I eat breakfast with my family. Say it again. I eat breakfast with my family. I talk with my parents. Let's say it together. I talk with my parents. I enjoy my meal. Repeat slowly. I enjoy my meal. I check my phone. Say it with me. I check my phone. I read the news. Your turn. I read the news. I wash the dishes. Say it again. I wash the dishes. I clean the table. Repeat after me. I clean the table. I get ready to leave. Say it slowly. I get ready to leave. I take the bus to work. Say it with me. I take the bus to work. I listen to music on the bus. Your turn. I listen to music on the bus. I arrive at the office. Say it again. I arrive at the office. I greet my coworkers. Repeat slowly. I greet my coworkers. I sit at my desk. Say it with me. I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. Your turn. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. Say it slowly. I check my emails. I write a message. One more time. I write a message. I join a meeting. Say it with me. I join a meeting. I take notes. Repeat after me. I take notes. I drink water. Your turn. I drink water. I stay focused. Say it again. I stay focused. I finish my tasks. Say it with me. I finish my tasks. I help my coworker. Repeat slowly. I help my coworker. I call a client. Say it again. I call a client. I send an email. Your turn. I send an email. I study English online. Say it with me. I study English online. I learn new words. Repeat after me. I learn new words. I take a short break. Say it slowly. I take a short break. I eat lunch. Your turn. I eat lunch. I go to the supermarket. Say it with me. I go to the supermarket. I take a basket. Repeat slowly. I take a basket. I buy fruits. Your turn. I buy fruits. I buy vegetables. Say it again. I buy vegetables. I buy bread. Say it with me. I buy bread. I buy milk. Repeat after me. I buy milk. I buy rice. Say it slowly. I buy rice. I choose fresh apples. Your turn. I choose fresh apples. I wait in line. Say it again. I wait in line. I pay at the cashier. Let's say it together. I pay at the cashier. I put the items in a bag. Repeat slowly. I put the items in a bag. I carry the bag home. Say it with me. I carry the bag home. I unpack the groceries. Your turn. I unpack the groceries. I put food in the fridge. Say it again. I put food in the fridge. I relax after shopping. Repeat after me. I relax after shopping. I call my friend. Say it with me. I call my friend. We meet at the park. Repeat slowly. We meet at the park. We sit on a bench. Your turn. We sit on a bench. We talk about our day. Say it again. We talk about our day. We laugh together. Say it with me. We laugh together. We take a walk. Repeat after me. We take a walk. We buy ice cream. Say it slowly. We buy ice cream. We take a photo. Your turn. We take a photo. We say goodbye. Say it again. We say goodbye. I go back home. Repeat slowly. I go back home. I arrive home in the evening. Say it with me. I arrive home in the evening. I change my clothes. Your turn. I change my clothes. I prepare dinner. Say it again. I prepare dinner. I set the table. Repeat after me. I set the table. I eat with my family. Say it slowly. I eat with my family. I wash the dishes. Your turn. I wash the dishes. I clean the kitchen. Say it again. I clean the kitchen. I watch TV. Repeat slowly. I watch TV. I listen to music. Say it with me. I listen to music. I call my parents. Your turn. I call my parents. I check my messages. Say it again. I check my messages. I read a book. Repeat after me. I read a book. I play a game. Say it slowly. I play a game. I study English again. Your turn. I study English again. I feel tired. Say it with me. I feel tired. I brush my teeth. Repeat slowly. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Your turn. I wash my face. I turn off the lights. Say it again. I turn off the lights. I lie down in bed. Say it with me. I lie down in bed. I go to sleep. One more time. I go to sleep.